I'm explaining to you how the pongal sweet rice is being cooked. What is here is the pongal pot. In the pot is the pongal. This is the rice. Milk is added to the rice. Of course, we add water first to cook the rice. Once the rice is half cooked, then we start adding other ingredients. Okay? So you will be coming here to put the ingredients. You will help me to cook. Okay? Are you interested? Okay, see here, this is the kolam. Okay? This kolam is made of rice flour. After the pongal rice is cooked, we serve to the sun god. Okay? The sun. Sun is the source of energy. Sun is the source for rain. Okay? Without sun, we get nothing and we also cannot live on this planet. Okay, so we have to, so the Hindus, they offer their thanksgiving to the sun by offering the sweet rice. Can you see the sweet rice? After it's cooked, it's like that. And we offer some auspicious things, bitter leaves, nuts, sugar cane. Okay, that's the sweet pongal rice. And we light up the lights. And all the family members gather in front and offer their prayer to the sun. Okay? So, do you want to come in? Come. Come and put the ingredients. So, see what are the ingredients that goes into the cooking of pongal. Come here. Okay, she's coming. She's here to pour the first ingredient. What is that? Tell everybody. Okay, this is milk, fresh milk. Pour. Alright. Next one, next person. Can stir. Stir the milk. See, our friend is stirring. Okay. Next, coffee. Okay. The one that you add to your coffee tea is white sugar. White sugar is not healthy. This is pure sugar from sugarcane. Okay.
It's not glutinous rice, right?
No. Which one? The rice? Normal rice.
Normal rice.
Yeah, stir there. Stir. Stir for the sugar to melt. Okay, what are the two ingredients that we have added now? Milk. Milk, sugar, pure sugar. So next person, come and add one more ingredient. Come, Eugene.
I raised my hand there. The next big VIP.
Okay, what is this?
Butter.
Butter. Actually, it's butter. Some ghee. Add some ghee into this. Yes. Okay, great. Stir it now. Stir. Every time when you add ghee or butter to your food, it always makes the food tastier. Okay. Right. Now we have 3 items already. Now next, one more item to go. What is this? Raisin. Okay. Pick some raisins to throw into the. Alright, great. Stir. Okay. The last item. Xavier. What is this? No. What nut? Cashew nut, correct. Okay. Cashew nut. Cashew nut. No, some. Okay. Stir.
Wow, I want the new chef. You did out yet. You did your hand. Where's my hand? Look like that's long. That's fire you kill.
Good. Alright? So, when the rice with the milk gets hotter and hotter, it starts to boil and overflow. When it overflows, that is very good. It's truly auspicious, very good, so that the whole year you will be happy, happiness will overflow in your home. That's what it means. Okay?
What happens if it doesn't work? Depends on how you
You will, that's when we will scream, Pongalo, Pongal, Pongalo, Pongal. You want it to overflow in Tamil. Okay, the rice is almost ready, but it's very hot for you to try. So we have ready-made Pongal rice. Do you want to try?
Yeah.
Okay, now wait, queue up there. I think